Did you know that you can syndicate your live-rent listings to Craigslist and Kijiji in just a few clicks? Smart landlords and property managers know that more listing exposure leads to more results. You can now streamline this process with live.rent. Fill out your listing once and push it out with our multi-channel syndication to all of the leading listing sites. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to save time and resources with our listing syndication feature. First, after you've published your live.rent listing, you'll want to navigate to your landlord listing dashboard. Click the share button on the top right-hand corner and you'll be presented with a list of popular listing websites as well as an option to invite by phone, email, or share the listing URL. To invite a prospective tenant by phone, email, or listing URL, click on the invite or copy button, which will give you a preloaded message along with a personalized link to your listing on live.rent. Now, with Craigslist and Kijiji, we can actually syndicate our live.rent listings in just a few clicks. First, we'll start off by showing you how to do this with Craigslist. Click on Copy. Here, your live.rent listing description will be automatically copied. As well, it'll begin to download the photos from your listing to the computer or mobile device that you're using. Next, you'll want to hit Go to Craigslist and pick the best fitting location and then continue to follow the prompts. live.rent has automated all of this manual work for you, so we've copied the description from your live.rent listing, and here you'll just have to right-click onto the description field and click Paste. And just like that, all of the information from your live.rent listing will be syndicated here. Next, you'll want to fill in your post title. Here, you're going to copy the post title from your description and paste it into the posting title. Then, you'll want to fill out the rent price as well as the postal code. You'll also want to fill in all the posting detail information here, such as the in-suite laundry, parking, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, etc. Lastly, you'll want to select the date the listing will be available on. Then, hit Continue, and now it's time to add your listing photos. Remember, live.rent has automatically downloaded all the images from your live.rent listing to your computer or mobile device. So here, you'll just want to upload the images from your downloads folder or photo album, and now we'll have a preview of all of our listing details with all of this information that has been automatically extracted from your live.rent listing and then syndicated onto Craigslist. Now, once we're ready, we'll hit Publish. Then that brings us to our live Craigslist listing. It's now published and it only took a few clicks. All the information about your property, your rental terms, and your listing details will be available here on Craigslist, all duplicated from the live.rent listing. When prospective tenants see your posting on Craigslist, the first line of the description will prompt them to apply directly through your live.rent listing link, so you can streamline your communication and have everything in one place. That's on Craigslist. Now moving on to Kijiji. To make the most out of your live.rent listing, you can also syndicate it to a listing site like Kijiji. What you'll want to do is very similar to Craigslist. You'll want to navigate back to your landlord listing dashboard, click Share, then hit Copy. Here, your listing description will be copied to your computer or mobile device, and this will also prompt the images from your listing to be downloaded onto your computer or mobile phone. Here, you'll want to manually add a title for your post ad. We recommend including a short description along with the street name and city of where your listing is located. Now, you'll want to follow the prompts to complete your Kijiji listing. Select the category of your listing and then scroll down to the description. Double tap or right-click to paste. Here, all the information is being automatically copied from your live.rent listing and syndicated to Kijiji. You'll also want to fill in the listing details such as the unit type, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, lease type, as well as the move-in date and any other information, followed by any tags and the property address. The next step is to add photos to your listing on Kijiji. Here, you're going to open your downloads or photo album. As previously mentioned, all the images were downloaded from your live.rent listing, so you will simply just reattach them here. The last step is to indicate your listing price. After this step, Kijiji will present you with options to pick a plan that suits your visibility needs. Here, you'll want to select the light version. And to supercharge your marketing efforts, you can try featured listings on liv.rent to instantly get 300% more views and engagement on your listing. Finally, you will want to review it and post your ad. It's as simple as that. Your listing has now been posted with all the information preloaded from your liv.rent listing. Once prospective tenants see your listing on Kijiji, they will be prompted to apply directly with your exclusive liv.rent link, where they can complete a profile and submit their liv.rent tenancy application to you. Now it's your turn to start automating your rental process with liv.rent.